Hey everybody, how are you? A couple of weekends ago I went and stayed at a hip camp called Hidden Camp at Pie Creek with some family. I was feeling a bit crook, so I gave the GoPro to my nieces and nephews and said film it from your perspective. So here it is from Jasper, Holly and Sebastian's view, and also I think my brother put a little bit in there as well. Let's go and have a look at it. Everybody's around the breakfast table having a big feed of bacon, eggs, toast, mushrooms, baked beans. What else do we have?
Pig.
Pig.
Fried pig.
Bread. So this is where the other car crashed.
How long has it been here for?
Oh.
Go on my side. Ow, stop that.
Okay, so I hope you enjoyed that perspective from my nieces and nephews. It's winter here in Queensland at the moment, so I may not get out for a little while. It's very cold in the mornings. Anyway, I'll see you when I get the next one up. Bye.